Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about multiplying decimals because that's something we are going to start doing in math. So if I show you a problem like 1 and 6/10 times 3/10, we have to know what to do with the decimals in this problem to be able to multiply it. So the first thing that I like to do is rewrite the problem stacked up like a regular multiplication problem. And then my next step is I just pretend like they're whole numbers and multiply them. So I'm going to forget about the decimals for a minute and just focus on my multiplication. I know 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 1 is 3, but then I have another one that I carried that I have to add. So I got the digits 4 and 8 in my product, but I have to go back and add the decimal points now. One way that I can think about doing that is count up how many decimals I had in my factor. So what that means is look at the two numbers I multiplied and figure out how many places I had after the decimals. So I have one place after the decimal point and 1 and 6/10, and one place after the decimal point in 0 and 3/10, which means 1 plus 1 is 2. I have to have two places after my decimal point in the answer, the product. So I will get 0 and 48 hundredths for my answer. So really it's a lot like multiplying a whole number. I just have to decide what to do with my decimal point when I'm finished. Let's try another one. This one is 8/10 times 2/10. So first I just multiply like regular whole numbers. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 0 is 0, so I don't have to do that part of the problem. Now I have to count up how many places I have after the decimal point in each of my factors. I see one place after the decimal point in 8/10, and one place after the decimal point in 2/10. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I need 1, 2 places after the decimal point in my product. So my answer will be 0 and 16 hundredths. We'll try one more together. This one has more digits. It's a little harder. 12 and 8/10 times 3 and 2/10. So remember, my first step is just to multiply this problem like a whole number. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. But I'm only halfway finished. Now I have to do 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. This one's different because now I have two partial products I have to add up. So the digits I got in my product are 4, 0, 9, 6. But I'm not done because I have to put my decimal in this problem. So I had 1 place after the decimal in my first factor and 1 place after the decimal in my second factor. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I need 1, 2 places after the decimal point in my product, which means my decimal should go in the middle. 40 and 96 hundredths. I could also try to check that because we talked about estimating. So if I try to check by estimating, I could pick 2 numbers that are close to my factors and multiply those to see if I get something close to my answer. So let's see, 12 and 8/10, that's pretty close to 13. And 3 and 2/10 is pretty close to 3. If I multiply 13 times 3, I get 39. And for my answer, I got 40 and 96 hundredths. Those are pretty close. So that tells me that I probably put my decimal in the right place.